Hi there, it's me again, Mike. Welcome to this quick video where we'll learn about the three types of questions you might see in a PISA test. First, let's talk about multiple choice questions. In these questions, you'll see a question with several answers to choose from. Your job is to pick the correct one. Let's say you read a short story and then you get this question. What is the main idea of the story? A. The character made a new friend. B. The character was feeling sad. Or C. The character went on a big adventure. The correct answer is B. The character made a new friend. You pick the answer that best matches the main idea of the story. It's like choosing the answer that fits best with what you read. Next, we have open-ended questions. These questions are different because there are no answer choices. You get to write or say your answer. For example, what is your favorite part of the story and why? You can answer by saying, my favorite part is when the character made a new friend because it made me happy. You get to explain your thoughts, and there's no right way to answer, as long as you explain clearly. Finally, we have data interpretation questions. These questions show you a picture, chart, or graph, and you need to look at it to answer the question. For example, you might see a chart that shows how many books different students read in a month. Student 1, 3 books. Student 2, 5 books. Student 3, 2 books. Then the question could be, which student read the most books? The answer is student 2 because they read 5 books. So let's recap. Multiple choice questions, you pick the correct answer from a list. Open-ended questions, you write or say your answer in your own words. Data interpretation questions, you look at charts or pictures and answer based on what you see. Great job! Now, you know the three types of questions in a PISA test. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be ready to tackle any question. Thanks for watching, and keep up the good work!